Welcome at Pizza and More. In today's video I make again a pizza which you should also have on your menu. I'm Juergen and we make today a very delicious Pizza Diavola. And as the name already says, it is a pizza which is from Naples, so we make again a Neapolitan pizza with a very hot and spicy salami. This salami, or the best salami which you could use for this, is salami from Calabria. But if you have no salami from Calabria, you could use each other hot or spicy salami. All the ingredients we need for this pizza I've already prepared. So I have here San Marzano tomatoes. I made the San Marzano tomatoes on the real Neapolitan way, which means I smash them or I tear them by hand. So nothing is dirty, it was only my hands, I have not used any tools. Then I added only 4 grams of fine sea salt, I mixed it up and it's ready. If you want to know everything about the tomatoes or about this kind of tomato sauce, then please have a look. The video what I already prepared is linked in the video description. In the video description you can also find the whole recipe for this pizza, not for the dough, but for all the toppings. If you want to know something about the dough, please have a look on my other videos. As next I have here some fresh basil, I have Grana Padano, of course I have hot and spicy salami from Calabria, and from my last Italian from my last Italian holiday, and I have here some mozzarella Fior the Latte. If you want to use, you could also use good mozzarella di bufala, or even provolone or scamorza. All these kinds of cheese also fit to a diavola. And here you can now see directly our dough. But I won't say too many things about the dough because it's today about the diavola. I stretch this pizza now like we do it normally for a Neapolitan pizza. How to do it is also linked in the video description. The first topping we add is our tomato sauce. If you do not want the tomatoes, you could let the tomatoes away and eat this kind of pizza as a pizza bianco. And then we add some leaves of fresh basil. Then some pecorino, some Grana Padano or Parmesan cheese. Then the mozzarella Fior the Latte in my case. Then the hot and spicy salami. Here you really can add how much ever you want, but I would recommend not to add too many slices. Then some olive oil. And the pizza is ready for the oven. We add some semolina onto the peel, lift the dough, push the peel under. And now it's time to stretch the pizza to its final size. And if you have somewhere empty spaces because of the stretching again, then you can fill it up with cheese or even with salami. And now it's time for the oven. And here comes our Pizza Diavola. If you want, you could add now as well some hot olive oil. And as I said, this kind of pizza, or the Pizza Diavola, is really one of the pizza I most prefer. And also my guests, I have it on my menu. I have a private menu for all the guests who do not know what they want to eat. I have it on the menu, and lots of people are really like the Pizza Diavola. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us in the next video. Ciao.